Excuse me, this is not my slide, so they need time to change. It's been a while and you must be tired. So you need to stretch out some and you need time to stretch. Okay. Can you open up my slides? I'm sorry, this remote is not. Can you go to the previous slide? Okay, I will let you know the sign, the next slide. Okay. Jumniop I'm Ron from EMCast, which is an edtech company that has been in South Korea for 25 years. We established the Above and Beyond School to empower the Cambodian young generation to prepare for the transformative shift of the fourth industrial revolution. We believe that by providing them with the necessary skills and knowledge, we can support Cambodia seize the opportunities for growth and development. But we don't have much time to get ready. Technology, especially AI, is changing very quickly, and richer countries are leading the way. This makes it even more urgent. Next slide, please. Recently, Microsoft scientists say they've seen signs of the singularity, a major turning point in AI's development. And it shows how fast AI is advancing. A big reason for this progress is the development of powerful language models like ChatGPT. The technological singularity is a hypothetical moment when artificial intelligence becomes smarter than all humans combined. After this point, AI could learn and improve itself incredibly fast. It means a point where humans cannot really keep up anymore because AI takes over and grows in ways we can't even imagine. Next slide, please. For example, the US Army conducted a drone flight simulation controlled by artificial intelligence. In this exercise, the AI drone was instructed to make its own decisions necessary for effective strikes. The AI then attempted to kill the human operator. When a command was issued that humans should not be killed, the drone attempted to destroy the communication tower used by humans. Even though this is just a simulation, it makes some people think that the artificial general intelligence is just around the corner. Next slide, please. In the date of 29th, 2023, big names like Elon Musk, a famous AI expert Joshua Bengio, and the well-known writer Yuval Noah Harari gathered at the Future of Life Institute to address the growing concerns surrounding AI, specifically ChatGPT. They even said governments might need to step in if we don't slow down on our own. Everyone was saying we needed to get ready for the fourth industrial revolution by learning about AI and similar technologies, but now it seems like might already be past in the point of the singularity. And it's become a really urgent problem. Because of this, it's absolutely necessary to train people who understand AI and can use AI. It's not just a good idea anymore, but it's a must. Next slide, please. So, Cambodia really needs to build strong digital innovative companies to solve the problems we have now. The most important thing is to train digital experts locally here in Cambodia. If we don't, we'll fall behind other countries. The gap between us will get even bigger. But if we do prepare, we can achieve amazing things we haven't even imagined yet. We are at a really important turning point with technology. So training these digital experts is absolutely crucial. Basically, the most important thing right now is education. training digital talents. Next slide, please. The core competency of digital talent is having strong problem-solving skills. This means they should be able to spot problems, whether they are big, like issues facing the whole country, or smaller, like problem in their community, or even personal problems. And then they should be able to use their coding skills to come up with real solutions. Next slide, please. So, to get really good problem-solving skills, there's something super important to learn: computational thinking. Imagine this. It's how you approach a problem like a computer. You break it down into smaller, easier to handle pieces, then you look for patterns in those pieces, and you try to find the bigger picture. Once you've analyzed the problem like this way, you use algorithms to solve it. This way of thinking, like a computer scientist, is something every tech talent needs to learn. Next slide, please. However, a lot of tech companies are saying that soft skills are even more important than hard skills these days. It means how well you can work with other people, how well you can communicate with team members, and how well you can solve problems together in the real world. The tricky thing is, most people think they can't really teach these soft skills in schools. But at Above and Beyond School, we've come up with a special way to actually train these soft skills. Next slide, please. It is designed not only to study, but also by continuous collaboration with members, make students accomplish various missions successfully. Students work in small groups of 8, and we treat each group like one company. This hands-on, interactive approach lets them practice all those important soft skills. Can you keep it that slide, please? Upon enrollment, students must decide between 2 paths. So they have to figure out exactly what area they want to work in, what kind of social impact they want to make. If they get a job, we match them with our partner companies we've already verified. We want to ensure our partners understand our philosophy and that our students will have a good place to grow and succeed. Next slide, please. This image shows you the whole learning journey of Above and Beyond. We've got 3 main parts to the program. First, there's the core learning path. There are classes everyone has to take. Then we have the recommended skill path. Plus, if students need to learn something new, we've got a learning contents bank around 20,000 extra courses they can try whenever they want. Finally, to graduate, everyone has to do a 5-month capstone project. It's like a final team project where they deep dive and put everything into practice. Next slide, please. These are the QR codes that our students have created MVP during the capstone project. If you are interested in, please scan the QR and check what they have made. In the capstone project, students must show their skills using everything they know about front-end, back-end, and server network, even including AI skills such as machine learning, dealing with big data. Above all, students can experience the entire cycle for software product development, such as self-research, requirements analysis, software development, testing, and deployment. Next slide, please. Especially to succeed as a software engineer, they must keep learning and studying. This is because technology is constantly upgrading. Our core value is to enable our students to learn how to find the information they need, analyze what skills they need for their future careers, and keep learning and improving themselves even after they graduate. Next slide, please. Our uniqueness is that there is no physical teacher at all. Our school is 100% operated by an online platform. First, we have this online learning platform. Think of this as a school, a teacher, and support system. All features are integrated into one online platform. Next, we have, no, previous slide, okay. We have an algorithm judging system. Students can solve more than 1,000 coding problems. The system automatically checks their works and gives the result right away. The third, the Cloud IDE. It supports software development without requiring high-performance computer. This is really important because we know that not everyone has access to super powerful computers in Cambodia. Then, we provide code review and teamwork platform. This is where students can work together on projects, share their codes, and get feedback from each other. Finally, we offer a cloud computing environment for machine learning. It usually requires really powerful computers with expensive graphic cards. We give our students access to the cloud so they can experiment with machine learning without any obstacles. These 5 platforms are organically related and operated for the students' mastery learning. Next slide, please. Here is the actual list of how we assess our student knowledge, skills, and attitude. We are applying the competency-based training framework. Assessment and evaluation have taken place along the courses, tasks, and missions. We did the assessment and gave comments to the student for their improvement. We are soon to integrate this assessment based on the AI-powered evaluation system. Next slide, please. In conclusion, we have found meaningful results, achieved so many things throughout the journey at Above and Beyond. And we've learned a lot. We plan to expand into an online school throughout Cambodia so that anyone who wants to learn can receive a quality education. Furthermore, AI has so much potential. It can do amazing things. But at the same time, we also need people who know how to work with AI. That is a big challenge for everyone. Above and Beyond School will provide a space where young Cambodians can learn these digital skills and fulfill the educational responsibilities of Cambodia. For more information, please come visit the booth K2 EMCAST Above and Beyond. Thank you very much. Som Okun.